Bismillahirrahmanirrahim students, I hope you are fine and I am Dr. Aslan, teach you manufacturing engineering course. So today practical is we are performing taper turning. In last practical we are performing just only turning. Now we are perform little bit advanced form is taper turning. Again I tell you, you must need when you are coming in that lab, in lathe machine lab, so you must need your safety things, safety goggles and your dress. And this is the workpiece. We are putting that workpiece into the chuck. So you are adjusting that, and after that you are adjust that grooves. And then now we are adjusting that workpiece and we are using by that slider, and we put little bit its taper turning. So start that business. So you just only adjust inner diameter is small. So after that you are getting some taper from here. So you are put that work tool in that workpiece. So now working is complete. Now looking your workpiece, there have 3 threads. These threads is its taper. So today we are performing taper turning. So this is our 6th practical.